Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to change your birthday in Roblox. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Now first thing you should do is to open your browser, then type roblox.com/support. Then click on enter. Then it will show you this page right here. Contact us, and all you have to do is to fill in all these information. Type your username, first name, email address, and confirm your email address. And after that, go to this partition right here and select the device that you have the problem on. I'm gonna select PC for example. And the type of help category, you should choose age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges. Click on it, then you can here click on this partition again and change child age. Then you can type for them a small description about your issue. As you can see here, I have typed a small message to give it to the support. And all you have to do after filling in all this information is to click on submit, and within 24 hours or 48 hours, they will answer your request, and they will also change your birth date or enable you to change it manually without any problems. And that's all for today. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.